Violating an asset requirement at any time, both when creating or updating an asset group, will throw an error. But there are cases when you seem to have done everything correctly and yet you didn't. For instance, you just created a Performance Max campaign but then forgot to link an asset group to it. Or you did, but the campaign is paused. These are all perfectly fine situations from an API request and response perspective. But they are not okay for your campaign because it will not serve any ads. So how do you find out if you unintentionally ended up in one of these cases? Well, there are fields in the API for that. You can check the primary status both at the campaign level and at the asset group level to make sure that their value is eligible, meaning that your campaign and asset groups are serving correctly. If they have a different value, you can find out more about what's going wrong by looking at the primary status reasons field, both for the campaign and for the asset group. They will tell you exactly all the reasons why you may not be getting the performances you were hoping for. For instance, an asset group may have primary status not eligible, and that can be caused by several reasons, mostly related to the campaign it belongs to. Among the reasons that can cause this state, in fact, there are reasons like campaign ended, which is the case when the campaign the asset group belongs to is past its end date, and the asset group thus is not delivering any impressions because of this. In this case, all you have to do is just resume your campaign to make sure your asset group starts serving again.